This month in Project and Portfolio has been packed full of helpful resources and valuable learning experiences. Thanks to instructor Arbuckle, I gained a stronger understanding of semantic coding and finally began to break away from overusing div elements. By incorporating more meaningful elements like figure, article, and others, I was able to give real structure and context to the content on my pages. I was also introduced to version control using GitHub repositories, which I found incredibly useful, especially for stepping back through code or reviewing past decisions that may apply to current work. Alongside that, I learned how to write Markdown to document changes and to track the evolution of a project. These habits are something I plan to continue using in the future coursework and professional projects. Another powerful tool I discovered this month was Figma. It's an excellent platform for storyboarding, testing ideas, and giving structure to designs before building them out in code. I also took steps to improve accessibility by using clear and descriptive alt tags and applying ARIA labels to tie elements together, helping to ensure a consistent experience for all users. The monthly project began with the task of replicating the homepage based on the instructor's example. This gave me a chance to test my skills and reinforce best practices. From there, I brainstormed and storyboarded my ideas, building a prototype in Figma. That process helped me to visualize my design and ensure its structure made sense before coding began. Over the next 2 weeks, I brought that design to life, working in two-page increments and incorporating feedback from the instructor to refine my work. During the second week, I also demonstrated my understanding of JavaScript objects by dynamically populating homepage cards with data. I even learned how to apply actions to multiple elements sharing a class using Query Selector All, allowing me to target buttons across the project with greater efficiency. The final result is a fully functional website that closely mirrors my Figma prototype. All the links work, and the JavaScript methods I applied are successfully in place across various pages. This month, I challenged myself to break old habits and embrace stronger, more purposeful coding practices. It wasn't always easy, but I'm proud of how far I've come, and I genuinely feel like I've leveled up. As I move into future projects, I'm excited to keep building on this momentum, continuing to refine my front end skills, and learning how to develop even more dynamic, accessible, and user friendly websites. Looking back, what stands out the most is the confidence I've gained. At the beginning of the month, I was unsure how all these tools and concepts would come together, but now I can see the bigger picture. I'm beginning to think more like a developer and not just a student completing assignments. I've started to trust my process, ask better questions, and take more initiative when I get stuck. As I move forward, I'm excited to continue challenging myself, refining my workflow, and exploring more advanced topics like responsive design and dynamic content handling.